Alrighty, well, I had a couple people ask me to do a video on these rear door handles, rear pull handles off the Silverados, Tahoes, Yukon Suburbans. This pull handle right here. So pretty much what you want to do is you want to start off with taking off this right here just with a screwdriver. I might be able to do it while I'm filming. Alright, so you just pop this off with your screwdriver. Kind of difficult one-handed. And then you pop this off by your door handle. Then what you have is a 7mm bolt right under the handle. Like, see, right in the middle, right under that handle. Sometimes on the bottom here, depending on the year, you have a screw here on the edge. Oh, that one has one right there, and a screw there. That's a 7mm as well. So I'm going to pop them out with my bit driver. 7mm. Alright, there's that one right there. Alright, when you get to this point, pretty much you can pull up on the whole door panel like this. Watch. Up and then off. Once that is off, this right there, you want to take this connector off. It's kind of tight. You got to get a screwdriver up on the back side of it. Let's see if I can get the back side shown here. Yeah, see right there? You got to get a screwdriver in on the back side of that and pop that up. I'm not going to be able to do that one-handed, so hold on. Okay, so now that you've got this connector off here, all right, you take 7mm. You have two screws right here, 7mm. You've got another one here, 7mm, and another one here, 7mm. And then this one's actually, the little metal tab's broken, so I'm not going to buy it. But then what you do, you just pull, find a light here. All right, so then you just pull up, slide it out, just like that. And that was kind of a waste because that's broken and I won't sell it, but that's how you do it. Alrighty, hopefully this video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and appreciate it. Thanks.